26 Manufacturing Jobs Creation Plan, 5 million jobs. Step 1, Q1 2026, Strategic Planning and Policy Setup. Investment, $20 actions. Establish a federal manufacturing task force. Define priority sectors, medical equipment, batteries. Launch reshoring incentives program, tax credits, grants. Expected jobs, 0, planning stage. Step 2, Q1 Q2 2026 Workforce Development Investment, $15 actions. Scale vocational training and apprenticeships nationwide. Partner with community colleges and private companies. Focus on digital manufacturing skills, automation, robotics, AI. Expected jobs, 500,000 ready for factories by mid-year. Step 3, Q2 expected jobs, 3 million. Step 4, Q2 Q4 2026 Technology and automation integration. Investment, $40 by dollars. Actions, install robotics, AI-driven production, IoT devices in new and existing plants. Ensure efficiency without sacrificing job creation, human-machine collaboration. Expected jobs, 0 to 500,000, supports skilled jobs and productivity growth. Step 5, Q3 Q4 2026 Supply chain reshoring investment, $80 by dollars. Actions, move critical components, rare earths, electronics, batteries back to US. Build regional hubs for raw materials and intermediate goods. Expected jobs, 500,000. Step 6, Q3 investment, $120 by dollars. Actions, upgrade roads, rail, ports, energy grids near industrial zones. Ensure fast transport and low-cost logistics for factories. Expected jobs, 200,000 construction plus long-term industrial support. Step 7, Q4 2026 Export and Trade Support Investment, $15 by dollars. Actions, incentivize U.S. manufactured goods exports. Provide low-interest loans and logistics support for export-focused factories. Expected jobs, 300,000. Step 8, Continuous Monitoring and Adjustment. Investment, $10 by dollars actions. Track progress with monthly milestones. Adjust incentives, factory place performance. Expected jobs, supports sustainability, ensures 5M goal is met. Summary of job distribution, sector, jobs. Workforce development, skilled workers, 500,000. New factories and expansion, 3,000. Technology integration, 500,000. Supply chain reshoring, 500. Infrastructure and logistics, 200,000. Export trade support, 300,000. Total, 5,000. At total investment, $1 trillion, 1,000 bahs. Distributed as factory construction and expansion, 500 bahs. Technology and automation, 15 dollars. Reshoring incentives, $80. Infrastructure and logistics, 120 dollars. Export support, 15 dollars. Planning and monitoring, 20 by. Key principles. 1. Public-private partnership. Federal funds cover 50%, private sector brings the rest. 2. Fast-track permitting, essential to build factories quickly. 3. Sector-focused, target industries with high employment potential and strategic importance. 4. Regional hubs, reduce logistic costs, improve labor availability. 5. Continuous adjustment, monthly monitoring ensures efficiency and maximum job creation. If you map this out in a strategic, long-term view. Here's a comprehensive plan to bring 5 million manufacturing jobs to the U.S., showing top 50 benefits over 30 years and top 20 actionable steps to make it happen. Top 50 benefits over the next 30 years. Economic growth and job creation. 1. 5 million new jobs directly in manufacturing. 3 to 5 million indirect jobs in services and logistics. 3. Boost U.S. GDP by 3 to 5%. 4. Reduce unemployment rates. 5. Increase household incomes. 6. Strengthen middle class. Increase domestic consumption. 9. Improve trade balance. 10. Reduce reliance on imports. Technological leadership. 11. Advance robotics and AI in manufacturing. 12. Dominate EV battery production. 13. Lead in semiconductor manufacturing. 14. Become a global hub for medical equipment. 15. Develop sustainable materials technology. 16. Advance 3D printing and additive manufacturing. 17. Strengthen cybersecurity in factories. 18. Build smart factories and IoT networks. 19. Foster innovation hubs. 20. Improve R&D collaboration with universities. Supply chain and strategic independence. 21. Reduce dependency on China and other countries. 22. Ensure stable supply of critical goods. 23. Reshore rare earths and essential minerals. 24. Build regional industrial hubs. 25. Secure national defense production capabilities. 26. Improve resilience to global crises. 27. Stabilize domestic energy supply. 28. Reduce shipping costs. 29. Shorten lead times for products. 30. Enable faster response to market demand. Environmental and energy advantages. 31. Promote green manufacturing. 32. Develop renewable energy integration. 33. Reduce carbon footprint of production. 34. Advance battery and EV production for cleaner transport. 35. Foster circular economy practices. 36. Encourage waste recycling and material efficiency. 37. Develop energy efficient factory systems. 38. Improve water and resource management. 39. Enable sustainable urban industrial planning. 40. Promote electric grid modernization, societal and geopolitical advantages. 41. Strengthen U.S. global influence in industry. 42. Increase manufacturing self-reliance. 43. Improve quality of life in industrial towns. 44. Enhance national pride and identity. 45. Increase STEM education engagement. 46. Attract global talent and investments. 47. Strengthen unions and workers' rights. Boost rural and semi-urban economies. 49. Enhance long-term national security. 50. Create a foundation for 22nd century innovation. Shtash top 20 action steps to make it happen. Policy and incentives. 1. Launch $1 trillion federal manufacturing investment. 2. Provide tax credits for domestic production. Offer low-interest loans to manufacturing startups. 4. Implement reshoring incentives for critical industries. 5. Simplify permitting for factory construction. 6. Create regional industrial zones, workforce and education. 7. Scale vocational and technical training programs. 8. Launch apprenticeships in high-tech manufacturing. 9. Partner universities with industries for R&D. 10. Upskill workers in robotics, AI, and automation. Technology and innovation. 11. Invest in R&D for EV, semiconductor, and battery tech. 12. Establish smart factories with IoT integration. 13. Encourage additive manufacturing and 3D printing. 14. Promote energy-efficient and green technologies. Supply chain and logistics. 15. Reshore critical raw materials and components. 16. Develop regional logistics hubs and transport networks. 17. Modernize ports, rail, and highways. Global and market strategy. 18. Provide export incentives for U.S.-made products. 19. Strengthen trade partnerships to protect domestic industries. 20. Launch Made in USA 2030 branding and marketing initiative. This combination of long-term benefits plus strategic action steps ensures the U.S. not only regains manufacturing dominance, but also creates sustainable economic, technological, and societal advantages for decades.